Hi there. In today's video, we'll be looking at the equation of a circle. Alright, so in its standard form, the equation of a circle is given by the equation, open bracket, x minus a, close bracket, squared plus y minus b squared being equal to r, this should be r squared. And a and b would be the coordinates of the center. So a will be the x coordinate. So this is the x coordinate of the center, and b would be the y coordinate of the center. And then we also have r. Let's make it green. This r over there, and that is the length of the radius. So this is the length of radius of the circle. And then x and y would be your points on the circle. Okay, so let's sketch a circle to see what that would look like and how that then translates to the equation. So let's draw it in blue. And that's our x-axis over here. X and y. You must always label your axes, and then that's 0. Let me now draw a circle over here. So this is my circle, and it has a center A and B, right? And we say these are the coordinates of the center, which we then substitute into the equation of the circle. So A is our x coordinate. So if we are to draw a dotted line there, A would be there, and then B would be somewhere over there. So this is B. And then the x and y coordinates over here. So let's pick a different color, maybe blue. These ones that we substitute would be the coordinates that are around the circle. So for example, it could be this coordinate over here, or maybe it can be there. So those would be the coordinates that are on the circumference of the circle. And then we have r, which is our radius from there to there. So that's the length of our radius, and that is r, and in our equation it will be r squared. And then when we have a circle that is at the center, let's draw one here. Like this. This is our y-axis. And this is our x-axis. Then let's make it orange. No, it disappeared. So this circle over here has its center at the origin. So this is 0, 0. And we know that the coordinates of our center are A and B, which we substitute into the standard form over there. So in this type of scenario, just indicate an R. So this is R. So for this circle that is at the center, circle with center at origin, its equation then becomes x minus a is now 0 squared plus y minus 0 squared being equal to r squared. And because the center coordinates are 0, 0, it then just becomes x squared plus y squared being equal to r squared. And I'm pretty sure most of you are familiar with this equation. So that's the equation of a circle. So the form of the equation depends on whether the center of the circle is at the origin or if it is somewhere else. So if it's somewhere else, this is how it will look, with its coordinates being a and b, that we then put into the standard form equation. Or if it's at the center, it then is reduced to just only x squared plus y squared being equal to r squared. Okay, that's it from me with equation of a circle.